Hello and welcome to the transcription explanation of this design. It was done using the script above me, which is something my friend Lauren Sherman and I have been developing since 2011, and is now used on screen on Doctor Who as the language of the Time Lord, Circular Gallifreyan. And this design was made to mimic a design I did earlier with a frame that has English text at the bottom. And if I wasn't quite sure if you wanted the name Harper written here or if you wanted something else, but this is something I can change independently. If you want some other word written in this empty space there, I can do that. I just wrote Harper as that is what this design says. You read starting at the bottom and then you go counterclockwise, like a time traveler going back in time. So this deep divot shape, like a horseshoe or an omega, is our first letter, and there are two lines on that letter, making it an H. So if we go to the two-line column, and I'm in the row with the deep divot in the top row, that makes it the H. And then vowels are little guys, and they're outside the word circle. This is a particularly large vowel, but I can get away with that with the letter A, as an A is the only letter fully outside of the word circle. So that would be the H and then the A, and then an R has 1, 2, 3 dots. So there's the R. P has 1, 2 lines. Here's the little E inside the P. And then this shallow divot has 1, 2, 3 dots as well, making it another R. So Harper, and that is that design. I hope you like it. Thank you, and bye.